Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable two-factor authentication for your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable 2FA, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application. And after opening it, you will get to see this 4 circles icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after that you will get this section of personal wallet. Just simply select personal wallet and you will get to see this option of Google Authenticator. Tap into Google Authenticator and then you just simply have to install or download Google Authenticator into your device. And after that, just simply tap to next button. Then your Bitget wallet will load this QR code in here. Now you just simply have to scan this QR code from the Authenticator app or copy this key into here. Just simply copy this or scan this from your Google Authenticator. Then it will give a code to you which is 6 digit. You just simply have to tap into next button after getting that code. Tap to next and then you have to enter that 6-digit code into this box. Just simply paste the code and tap to bind button. And your 2FA will successfully be activated with your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.